closer to governorship seats more than ever before.
For generations, the Okun Nation has remained an integral part of Kogi State's political story, contributing leadership, loyalty, and vision to its democratic growth. Today, a new reserve is taking shape, one anchored on unity, patience, and strategic planning. On 30 December 2025 in Kabba, traditional rulers, political leaders, and key stakeholders gathered for a defining conversation. The occasion was the Okun Unity and Peace Advocacy Parley, organized by the Okun League of Progressive Elites, OLOPE. The objective was clear: to chart a practical pathway toward securing the Kogi State governorship in 2031 for the Okun Nation. At the heart of the discussions was a shared understanding that unity must come first. Stakeholders agreed that supporting Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo's second-term ambition from 2027 remains a critical step towards achieving the larger Okun agenda. Speakers emphasized the need for political maturity, tolerance, and collective discipline. Across the hall, one message resonated repeatedly: Okun's turn is closer than ever. A call not for haste, but for strategic patience. The Parley also acknowledged an important gap: the need for a strong, vocal, and unifying political leader to articulate Okun's collective interests. Such leadership, participants agreed, is essential in mobilizing the people, strengthening negotiations, and projecting a common political voice. Another major focus was voter strength. Leaders called for intensified voter registration and participation across Okun land, recognizing that a strong voter base is a powerful bargaining tool in shaping political outcomes. At the close of deliberations, a clear roadmap emerged, captured in a formal communique, summarized as follows: continued support for Governor Ododo's second term, positioning an Okun son for the governorship in 2031, strengthening unity across Okun communities, identifying credible political leadership, expanding voter registration, building strategic alliances across Kogi State. The Okun Unity and Peace Advocacy Parley marked more than a meeting. It marked a renewed sense of direction. With unity as its foundation and strategy as its guide, the Okun Nation steps deliberately towards 2031. The journey has begun and the vision is clear.